Do you want a built-in dishwasher that delivers sparkling clean dishes with minimal effort? In this video, we present the most efficient and easy-to-use built-in dishwashers. All links are in the description below. For optimal results, it is important to select a model that is energy efficient, quiet, and offers multiple washing programs. We have selected the 3 best built-in dishwashers available on the market. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more appliance comparisons. Here are the 3 best built-in dishwashers, from the most economical to the highest end model. First, the Honeywell HDS18SS built-in dishwasher offers a sleek stainless steel design that fits seamlessly into modern kitchens while providing efficient and reliable cleaning performance. Equipped with multiple wash cycles, it handles everything from lightly soiled plates to heavily stained pots, ensuring sparkling results every time. Its stainless steel tub is durable and resists odors and stains, while adjustable racks provide flexibility for different dish sizes and cookware. Energy efficient and quiet in operation, it is ideal for households seeking a practical and stylish solution for everyday dishwashing needs. The Honeywell dishwasher combines performance, convenience, and long-term reliability for an effortless kitchen experience. Next, the Sharp SDW6726MS built-in dishwasher combines a modern stainless steel exterior with advanced washing technology to deliver superior cleaning results. Its multiple wash programs allow for customizable cleaning, from delicate glassware to heavily soiled pans, while a stainless steel interior ensures long-lasting durability and odor resistance. Adjustable racks and foldable tines provide versatile loading options, accommodating large pots and tall items. Designed for quiet operation, it maintains a peaceful kitchen environment. Energy efficient and reliable, this Sharp dishwasher is perfect for families looking to simplify dishwashing without compromising performance or style. Finally, the Black+Decker BDW200MW built-in dishwasher is designed to provide powerful cleaning performance in a compact, stylish white finish suitable for any kitchen decor. It features multiple wash cycles, including heavy, normal, and quick wash options, accommodating various dishwashing needs efficiently. The interior racks are adjustable, allowing for flexible loading of plates, pots, and glasses, while the durable stainless steel tub resists stains and odors. Energy efficient and whisper quiet, this dishwasher ensures minimal disruption during operation. Combining convenience, reliability, and practical features, the Black+Decker BDW200MW is an excellent choice for households seeking a dependable built-in dishwasher. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.